Have you ever finished designing a product you're proud of on Zazzle, only to realize the Sell It button isn't showing up? Don't worry, you are not alone. Hey, it's Trevor. In this video, I'm going to break down the most common reasons why the Sell It button disappears or gets grayed out, and how you can fix it. Let's dive right in. If you started working on a design from a product that was originally created by another Zazzle designer, even if you've made the changes, since your new design technically belongs to another designer, when you hit done in the design tool, the Sell It button will not show up. To fix this, you will go to Create Your Own on the top menu and look for the same product with a blank template. Create your new design there from scratch, and when you hit done this time, the Sell It button will show up. To talk about the next two reasons, let's go to Create Your Own on the top menu again, pick another blank product template and go into the Design tool. You see the Icons tools on the left side menu. If you are using any of these graphics on your design, and when you click Done, you will find the Sell It button is grayed out. The pop-up message explains that you cannot post a product for sale if the design contains icons or contents that you do not own. So basically those built-in icons are only licensed for personal use, which means you can customize and buy them for yourself, but you can't sell those designs to others, which is why. Going back into the Design tool and let's remove the graphic. The next reason comes from the Background tool on the left menu. When scrolling down, you will find the category for most popular backgrounds. You might be tempted to use these backgrounds for your design. However, they are created by other Zazzle designers, which is why if you use them on your design, the Sell It button will not show up. Going back in the Design tool, in order to remove this background graphic, we will have to go to the Layers on the left menu and click on the trash icon to remove it. Just to clarify, in the background menu, you can select any solid colors to create your design. So when you hit done, you will be able to see the Sell It button. If you want a more designed background graphic, you can upload your own image in the Background tool. The next reason is using the Zazzle app. Since Zazzle's design tool isn't fully functional on phones or tablets, you may be able to create a design and buy the product on mobile, but you will not find the Sell It button there. So using a desktop is the way to go. Some Zazzle products need specific options selected before you can sell them. For example, many paper products like invitations or greeting cards. Take this greeting card I made quickly for example. When I hit done, the Sell It button is not there. As I scroll down a little bit, you will see the envelope is not included yet. Once I select an envelope option, the Sell It button will then appear. So if you're working on something like that, just make sure you double check the settings. That's it. Hopefully one of these tips helped you unlock that Sell It button and get your product listed. Did I miss any other reasons you've come across? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience and help others in the community as well. If this video helped, give it a like and I appreciate it. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you will be notified when there's new updates on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.